Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and from the title, as you can see, this is a little bit on the cynical side. And to be very frank, this year I'm very reluctant to actually suggest any flagship Android smartphone to my friends and family. And I'll tell you the reason why. And guys, if you have been following the smartphone industry, if you notice in the last couple of years, particularly about last year or something, we have seen a lot of smartphones having that screen issues, green lines coming on it, purple lines coming on it. And this has been happening immediately if you buy a smartphone. It simply does not happen. In fact, I have already made a video about this topic a couple of months ago. It's not particular to any brand. It has happened to a couple of iPhones that I know with my friends, Samsung phones, OnePlus devices, Motorola. So it's not particular to any brand or something. But I do not like the fact that I'm not just sure if that green line issue or this issue with the screen problem has been completely solved or not. That is the reason I'm not very confident of recommending a flagship smartphone to my friends and family, because I'm not sure if this green line issue of screens etc has been completely solved. And guys, if you haven't watched that video which I posted a couple of months ago, the thing is that it simply does not happen immediately, but it only happens after about 2 odd years. Between 2 and 3 years is the point where it generally happens to most of the users. And generally the warranty on the smartphones is just given for 1 year, so most of the phones are out of the warranty. In fact, I know 2 iPhones. One of my friend, in fact, one was in India and one was he had purchased from US, and they had an issue after 2.5 years, and it was simply not covered in warranty. Of course, the Indian guys denied the warranty. Even in US, they said that this is not covered in warranty. So it's not like, okay, if you buy an iPhone or a flagship Samsung phone or something, that will not happen. And as I've told you, this is not limited to particular one brand or anything. This is happening across the brand. So I'm a little bit, not super confident as of now to recommend a flagship device, because these days the flagship, even if you talk about flagship Android phones, anywhere they go above 75,000 and go even above a lakh. And I feel if you're buying that kind of a smartphone, it should be trouble free at least for 3 years, if not 4 years. And as manufacturers are not still just offering that 1 year warranty and no special warranty for this green line issue or something like that, I'm very hesitant to recommend. Yes, I know OnePlus has now, actually they said that if your smartphones have that green line issue or something, that will be covered. So that is actually a nice move. But recently on a Twitter, we were having some discussion, and many of the people were not very satisfied with OnePlus smartphones. I don't know. Here is a small replies that I got. So again, I feel OnePlus has done a very good job by saying that if their smartphones actually have that green line issue or whatever, it will be covered apart from the regular 1 year warranty. And I feel it's high time now, if the brands have actually solved this problem, they should offer extra at least 3 years, if not 4 years of warranty on this green line screen issue. Because as I've told you, this problem simply does not happen within the 1 year of ownership of device, and generally happens after about mostly I've seen between 2 years and 3 years of usage of device. So that is the reason I'm a little bit hesitant to recommend flagship Android or even iPhones to my friends and family members. And I'm telling them, go with the mid-range smartphone if you can go this year. Maybe once the situation is clear, and I'm very confident later on, they can go for the flagship. So that is the reason I am a little bit skeptical of recommending flagship devices as of now. But you guys let me know, should brands actually offer extended warranty like 3 or 4 years for the screens, because this green line issues or whatever with the screens breaking after a couple of years was a rampant issue? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.